आज की जो हमारे प्रेजेंटेशन का जो दौर चल रहा है, इसमें जो हमारे नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटर हैं वो हैं रिचा काम्बोज। और रिचा हम लोगों के साथ वैलेंस बॉन्ड थ्योरी डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो चलते हैं। नाउ बेटा रिचा, आप अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को प्रोसीड कीजिए।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Richa and the topic of my presentation is valence bond theory. This theory is mainly due to polling. It deals with the electronic structure of the central metal ions in its ground state, kind of bonding geometry and magnetic properties of the complexes. The valence bond theory was proposed by Hitler and London to explain the formations of covalent bond quantitatively using quantum mechanics. Later on, Linus Pauling improved this theory by introducing the concept of hybridization. Valence bond theory assumes that all bonds are localized bonds formed between two atoms by the donation of an electron from each atom. Valence bond theory describes covalent bond formation as well as the electronic structure of the molecules. Nature of metal ligand bonding in complex compounds. We have already said that the Werner was the first to explain the nature of bonding in complex compounds. However, with the advancement of theories of valence, modern theory have been proposed to explain the nature of metal ligand bonding in complexes. These theory can also be explained. The first one is color, second one is geometry, and third one is magnetic properties of the complex compounds. These modern theories are valence bond theory, PBT due to L. Pauling and J. L. Slater in 1935. Second is crystal field theory, CFT due to H. Breed 1929 and Van Vleck 1932. Ligand field theory, LFT or molecular orbital theory, MOT due to I. Van Vleck 1935. Assumptions of valence bond theory. The theory assumes that electrons occupy atomic orbitals of individual atoms within a molecule and electrons of one atom are attracted to the nucleus of another atom. Second is the covalent bond is formed by the overlapping of two half-filled valence atomic orbitals of two different atoms. Third is the electron density between two bonded atoms increases due to overlapping. This confers stability of the molecules. Greater the extent of overlapping, stronger is the bond forms. Next is the direction of covalent bond is along the region of overlapping of the atomic orbitals, that is covalent bond is directional. Pi bond and sigma bond. There are two types of covalent bond based on the pattern of overlapping as follows. Pi bond. A pi bond is a covalent bond formed by a parallel overlaps of two orbitals. Sigma bond. A sigma bond is a covalent bond formed by a linear overlaps of two orbitals. H2 molecules. The electronic configuration of hydrogen atom in the ground state is 1s1. In the formations of hydrogen molecule, two half-filled 1s orbitals of hydrogen atom overlap along the internuclear axis and thus by forming a sigma SS bond. Cl2 molecule, the electronic configuration of Cl atoms in the group state is neon 3s2 3p x2 3p y2 3p z1. The two half-filled 3pz atomic orbitals of two chlorine atoms overlap along the internuclear axis and thus by forming a sigma p minus p bond. Limitations of valence bond theory. It provides only qualitative explanation for complexes. Second is it does not explain the color and electronic spectra of molecules. Third is that theory fails to explain why some metal complexes in a particular oxidation state are low spin, that is, inner orbital complexes, while some other complexes of the same metal ions in the same oxidation state are high spin, that is, outer orbital complexes. Fourth, it does not predict the relative stability of different complexes. Number 5, it does not explain the variations of magnetic moment values with temperature. Number 6, it does not take into account the splitting of d energy level. Number 7, it does not predict the relative stabilities of different structures. Thank you and have a nice day.
बेटा, बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन थी आपकी, बहुत अच्छी आपने कोशिश की है और लगभग हर स्लाइड में आपने बैकग्राउंड में कुछ ना कुछ डिफरेंस रखने की कोशिश की है। मीन्स क्या है, इट मीन्स आप चीज़ों को सीख रहे हो, आप चीज़ों को समझ रहे हो और आप चीज़ इम्प्लीमेंट भी कर रहे हो। और बार क्या होता है, एक सिंपल स्लाइड पे कर रहे हो बट आपने कोशिश की है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बढ़िया स्लाइड है बनाई है। अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा फॉर दिस नाइस प्रेजेंटेशन रिचा।